Hi guys, it's me from Chase TV, and today we're going to be doing a Lego Star Wars review. We're going to open the V-wing Starfighter, and at the back it has the V-wing Starfighter can open its cockpit, fire missiles, and it can turn its wing, and that's the picture. Let's see what's inside. Bag 1, bag 2, instruction books, and stickers. And this packet's for later. Now we're going to do bag 2. And this is the completed set. But the thing that I don't like about the set is you have to rip his head off to put him in. The little, like, droid thing. And these are the effects that it can do. It can fire. It can turn. It can move these. And you can open the cockpit in order as a landing thing. And that's the completed set. I hope you enjoyed the video.